Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to reply privately on Viber group chat. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open Viber on your phone. Now open any of the group chat. Long press on the message you want to reply. On the new menu that appears, you will see the new update, Reply Privately. If you don't see it, you need to update your Viber app. Now tap on it. The chat box of the person you want to message will open up with the message that was selected. Write the message and then send. The main benefit of replying privately is that any of the other group members won't see your replied messages. So in this way, you can reply privately on Viber group chat. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.